Meaning of inauspicious.
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 Inauspicious. Inauspicious is an adjective that means unlucky, unfavorable, or suggesting bad luck. When something is described as inauspicious, it usually implies a negative outcome or experience. For instance, an inauspicious start to a race might be due to bad weather conditions, resulting in poor performances from the athletes. Similarly, an inauspicious beginning to a business venture may mean that profits will be slow to materialize, or that the company may never achieve profitability. Essentially, an inauspicious event or situation is one that bodes poorly for the future.